Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove tags in Woocommerce. This is a useful skill when you want to clean up your product organization or remove outdated tags that no longer serve your store's categorization needs. Let's jump right in and get those tags removed. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary product management tools. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your products. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Products. This will expand a submenu with several options for managing your store's inventory. From these options, click on All Products. This section displays your entire product catalog, making it easy to find and edit any item in your store. Once you're on the product catalog page, take a moment to browse through your products and find the one you want to edit. This is the product where you'll be removing tags that you no longer want displayed on your WooCommerce store. When you spot it, click directly on the product name to open up the product overview page. You'll now see the full product details laid out in front of you. This is where all the magic happens for editing. Scroll down the page and shift your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the product tags section. This area shows all the tags currently associated with this particular product, helping customers find it through various search terms and categories. Under the product tags heading, you'll see a list of all the tags that have been added to this product. Each tag will have a small blue X mark positioned right beside it. This X is your tool for removal. Simply click on the blue X next to any tag you wish to remove from the product. The tag will disappear immediately, indicating it's been successfully removed from this product's metadata. After you've removed all the unwanted tags, scroll back up to the top of the product page. Look for the Update button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the editing interface. Click on Update to save all your changes and ensure the tag removal takes effect across your store. This step is crucial because without updating, none of your modifications will be retained. And there you have it, you've successfully removed tags from your WooCommerce product, keeping your store organized and your product categorization clean. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.